So this it completes the 2's complement with subtraction. Subtraction with 2's complement. So we are going to call that. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Can I go for the next topic? Logic gates. All of you heard the name. I think you have studied also this one. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Logic gates you have studied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
स्टडी किए क्या?
Yes, sir.
किधर स्टडी किए? कौन सा सब्जेक्ट में?
Physics.
Mathematics.
Physics, mathematics, very good then. 12th standard में फिर I will not waste much time. So the logical equations for these are the logic gates actually are basic components of digital circuit. These are the logic gates are there. These are the basic components of the digital circuits we are going to call. So that is AND gate, OR gate, XOR, NOT gate, NAND gate. So many will comes over there. One by one we'll discuss about that. So here, this is the AND gate symbol. The logic gate, first logic gate is nothing but AND gate here now. It has two inputs and one output here now. It has two input and one output here now. So the logic gate we are going to consider this one if the output is high when the both the inputs are high here. If and only if the inputs are high here, or logic 1 high is nothing but according to the truth table we are going to discuss here now. So how many inputs are there here? Two inputs, A and
Two.
B. One output that is called X we are going to consider here. So this X is nothing but A into B also we can call that one. A into B or A dot B or A into BAB we are going to call that one. So A is 0, B is 0. A is 0 and B is 1. A is 1, B is 0 and A is 1 and B is also 1 here. So for the binary digits we have to do here now. So combination of AB is nothing but if AB is 0, 0, 0 into 0 how much it is?
0.
0 only. 0 into 1?
0.
0. 1 into 0?
0.
0. 1 into 1?
1.
1.
That is the answer it is giving here now. That is called AND gate we are going to call that. This is called AND gate. Similarly, the OR gate will come here now. That OR gate is nothing but it is also have two inputs and one output. That is the output of this is A plus B. Two inputs are there. Summation of both the inputs it will give the answer of output here now. So X equal to A plus B we are going to call here now. So 0 plus 0?
0.
0.
0 plus 1?
1.
1.
1 plus 0?
1.
1.
1 plus 1? Actually the binary system हमने consider किया तो वो 0 होना है. Yes?
Yes.
1 carry आना है. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. The answer 1 carry आना है. Yes? वो carry इधर shift करके इधर carry वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. So that 1 0 is nothing but 1 we are using here. Now this is the OR gate. Logic gates are different. Binary system is number system is different. Remember that. उसको इसको link मत करो. ठीक है? 1 1 is nothing but 1 here now.
1.
So for the OR gate, except the 0 0 value, all others combination is high only. That is nothing. High is nothing but 1. 1 1 1 we are going to call that one. Next, that is NOT gate we are going to call. NOT means that is whatever the input का opposite देने का वो. Input का opposite word. इधर 0 है तो output क्या रहने का?
1.
1 रहने का. इधर 1 है तो 0.
0.
So input it has one input and one output. The output opposite value it is going to get, that is nothing but 0 is replaced by 1, 1 and is replaced by 0. The input is A, the output is A dash we are going to call. A dash is nothing but input का 0 है तो output 1 रहते हैं. Output input 1 है तो output 0 रहेगा. 0 is 1 and 1 to 0. That is called NOT gate we are going to call here. NAND gate. NAND gate is nothing but combination of AND gate and NOT gate here now. This is the AND gate symbol.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
NOT gate symbol is here. Dot is there. Circle is there at the end.
Yes.
This
sir.
circle we have attached here now. So this is AND. This is NOT here now.
So and not they have considered as NAND gate here now. NAND gate. It has two inputs AB and the output is X equal to AB dash here now. AB dash is nothing but हमारा आउटपुट क्या हुआ था AB AND गेट का आउटपुट क्या था 0 plus 0 into 0
0
0
0 0 and only for the 1 1 को हाई था ना
yes sir
बट इसका ए बी है ये आंसर है ना ए बी हो गए अब ए बी डैश इज नथिंग बट ये 1 होना है ए बी 1 होना है ए बी 1 होना है ये 0 होना है यस आउटपुट है इधर 1 1 1 0 है ए बी इज नथिंग बट 0 0 0 1 है हमारा एंड गेट का आउटपुट 0 0 0 1 है ना
yes sir
yes sir
but NAND gate symbol is opposite that is AB dash is nothing but that's replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1 here now so 0 0 is 1 0 1 is 1 1 0 is
1
1 and 1 1 is 1 here
0
actually we should not write like this AB we have to write here now first AB we have to write here AB is nothing but 0 into 0 0 0 in sorry 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 1 is 1 here
1
so the x equal to AB dash करना था AB dash बोल के symbol use करना था इधर 0 is replaced by 1 0
1.
is 1 0 is 1 and 1 will become
0
0 so this is the NAND gate output here now this is the NAND gate AB dash है ना x equal to so that is NAND gate symbol is it clear already
Yes, sir.
study किया बोल रहे then also we have NOR gate similarly this is the OR gate with NOT gate we are going to use OR and NOT gate it will give the NOR gate it is going to give here now first we have to write we have to find out A plus B here now I'll write here then only will understand A plus B here now so 0 plus 0
0
0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1
1
1
1 here now so next x equal to A plus B dash है ना इसको A plus B हमने आइडेंटिफाई किए इसको डैश किया तो 0 will become 1 1 will become 0 0 0 so that is the NOR gate output we are going to call that and or not NAND and NOR gate हो गया yes is it clear any
Yes.
doubts
yes sir
okay next is one more is there the OR gate we are going to call as XOR gate we are going to call that one XOR gate or exclusive OR gate we are going to call that exclusive OR gate it is nothing but x equal to A dash B plus A B dash we are going to call that one x equal to this A dash B plus A B dash here now A B dash we are going to call that one. In this condition what will happen if both the inputs it may be anywhere one is there one time high is there it may be 1 0 or it may be 0 1 ये दोनों का प्लेस में आउटपुट क्या रहते हैं हाई रहते हैं इसका बाकी अदर कंडीशन इट विल बिकम लो but if it is both are 0 both are 1 then answer will become 0 here. Answer will become 0 actually we have to find the first AB find out करना पहला A इधर A लिखा है इसका A dash लिखने का है इसका बाजू में है ना A dash is 1 1 0 0 इधर B है B dash लिखने का अभी B dash is nothing but 1 0 1 0 next A dash and B इसका combination करने के A dash into B 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 1 is nothing but 1 ऐसा टेबल आ जाते हैं उसको A dash एक मिनट है लिख देंगे आउटपुट चेक करेंगे एक बार सो A dash लिखा है अभी उधर है ना A dash B equal to A dash into B क्या हो गया 1 into 0
0
0 1 into 1
1
1
1
0 into 0
0
0
0 1 into 0
0
0 नेक्स्ट क्या करने का, b dash into
A.
a here now. b dash is this one here now. a is last numbers you consider. 0 into 1
0.
0,
0, 0 into 0
0.
1 into 1
1.
1, 1 into 0.
0,
Now the answer is x equal to a dash b
B.
plus
plus
ab
B.
dash plus ab dash here. 0 plus 0,
0,
0.
1 plus 0,
1,
1.
0 plus 1,
1,
1.
0 plus 0.
0,
0.
Ayana 0, 1, 1, 0. Answer.
Yes, sir.
yes,
So this, like this, we have to write the XOR gate or exclusive OR. We are going to call that. Is it clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
no sir,
So this completes the XOR gate. We are going to call that one. That is whatever exclusive NOR gate. अभी ये XOR gate clear किया है हमने. XOR gate we have discussed about that one. XNOR is nothing but whatever the OR gate we have. NOR gate है ना? NOR gate को exclusive करने का हमने. Exclusive means it is nothing but a dash b dash plus ab. बहुत simple है ये भी answer. But इसका dead opposite of that one here now. Dead opposite. इधर क्या है? Either both are low means answer is 0, both are high means answer is 0, but any one input is high, then the answer is high, है ना? But either in the XNOR gate, if both the inputs are same, then it will become high here. Both the inputs are same, then it will become high. 1 1 आ गए ना इधर? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
वो भी ये भी सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, no problem है ना. Another one class लिया तो भी problem नहीं है. But we'll solve it. A dash is nothing but 1 1
1.
0
0. 0.
0 हो गए. B dash is nothing but
1,
0,
1. 0.
1
1.
0
0.
1 0 हो गए. नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे इधर? A dash B dash, A dash B dash बोलो. A dash इधर B dash. 1 into 1
1.
1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 is nothing but
0.
0 0 1 0 0 0.
0,
नेक्स्ट AB, only AB बोलो.
0.
0, 0, 0,
0, 0,
0,
1,
0 0 0 and 1
1.
आंसर है. ये दोनों को प्लस करो अभी. 1 plus 0
1. 1.
1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 0 0 1 आए. Now the
Yes,
answer is same.
yes, sir.
Like that, exclusive NOR or equivalent circuit we have drawn here. Now this is XNOR gate we are going to call. That is XOR gate. OR gate means ये bubble नहीं रहते, dot रहते ना, इसका answer नहीं रहते. You can directly write the answer. How you can write the answer? अभी XOR gate का answer है तुम्हारे पास, ये है ना इसका answer.
yes sir,
XOR gate का. XNOR के लिए क्या करने का? ये 0 is nothing but 1.
1,
This
1.
one will become 0. This one will become 0. This 0 will
0.
become
1.
1.
1,
Like that, AND gate is NOR gate की है. AND gate का output reverse हो गए. देखो इधर. AND gate का क्या है? 0 0 0 1. NAND gate का क्या होगा? 1 1 1
0,
0. OR gate का क्या है? 0 1 1 1. NOR gate का क्या है?
1,
1
0,
0
1
0.
0 0. Like that, you have to use here. Now these are, it will complete the almost logic gates. It is going to complete here. Now basic logic gates here. Now any doubts here?
No, sir.
no,
So next what we'll do, we'll go for some universal gates. Universal gate means some NOR gate use करके हमने AND gate का output लाना है. NAND gate use करके हमने AND gate OR gate का output लेके आना है. That is NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate output लेके आना है. That is called universal gates बोलते हैं हमने. Universal gates कैसे बोलते हैं? NAND and NOR gate मालूम है सबको? NAND and NOR gate use करके हमने AND का, OR का और NOT का output लेके आना है. And or not and OR gate का output लेके आना है. How it will become works here now? We'll discuss here now. ये नई study नहीं की है शायद, है ना? Study की है ये भी?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Listen carefully. हमने सिर्फ NAND और NOT gate use करना है. NOR gate. How we'll discuss about that one. So first one, NAND as an universal gate. हम मैंने NAND gate है ना? NAND gate का symbol है ना ये? This is the NAND. This NAND gate I will use as a universal gate here. So first what you will do, I will get by using this NAND gate, I can get the answer of NOT gate here. NOT gate का आंसर क्या है? 0 1 को 1 0 कर देगा ये, है ना? This one. This is NOT gate option. Only one input रहते ना NOT को. A dash आ जाएगा इसमें. NOT gate का ये है ना? Answer truth table. 0 is 1, 1 is 0 here. So this one we will consider here now. What is the A is there? But NAND gate input क्या है? NAND gate का input कितना रहते हैं? 2 ही रहते हैं ना? But here both are shorted here now. So A answer is nothing but A here. If A is 0, 0 0. A is 1, then 1 1 will get the answer. 1 1 will get the answer. The output is AA. 0 into 0 is nothing but what?
0.
0. 1 into 1?
1.
1 here now. This is A into A आ गया. The NAND gate का output क्या है? A into A. It's dash है इसका A dash. A into whole dash here now. So this 0 will become
1.
1. 1 will become
0
0. Input क्या है? 0 and
1
1 है. इधर
1.
output क्या है?
1 and 0.
इधर same है. Input 0 1. Output is 1 and 0. Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes
It is satisfied the NAND gate. Sorry, no, NAND gate as NOT gate.
Yes,
If
sir.
anywhere NOT gate, हमारे पास NAND gate, NOT gate नहीं है. Directly on that situation, we can use NAND gate as a NOT gate. Use कर सकते हैं.
yes sir.
If
Yes,
the
sir.
answer is 0, then the output will become 1. If answer
1.
is 1, then output will become.
0
0.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, by using the NAND gate, we have to use the output of AND gate here. AND gate का output क्या है? A and B, two outputs है ना? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. AND gate का output क्या है?
0
0 0 0 1.
0 0 0 1 है. ये output हमको आना है. Yes.
yes
Okay. If A and B both are 0 0 0 है, NAND gate का output क्या रहता है इसका? 1 हो गए. NAND gate,
Yes,
NAND
sir.
gate 0 0 ये AND gate का होगा इधर. NAND gate का है. ये NAND gate किया तो NAND gate का 1 1
1 1
1
0.
0 है.
Zero.
हमको एक्चुअली ये चाहिए, ठीक है. बट हमने क्या किया ये देखेंगे अभी. 0 0 0 0 इट्स आउटपुट इज NAND gate है ना ये.
1
1
0
1
0 का आउटपुट क्या है?
1
1.
1 है. इधर 1 है. सो 1 and 1 शॉर्ट है इधर. ये नॉट गेट जैसे दिख रहा है इधर. सेम यूज किया इधर. देखो
Yes.
ये
Yes, sir.
सर्किट इधर. सो इधर 1 है तो आउटपुट क्या होना है?
0
0 आ गए. सो इधर 0 है पहला कंडीशन AND
Yes,
गेट का.
sir.
Next, suppose it is 0 and it is 1 here. 0 and 1. The output of the NAND gate is
1
1 here. No. Next, the answer of this one will become 0
0.
only. So again, 0 is their answer. Yes. Suppose this one will become 1 and this will become 0 here. 1 0. The answer is again 1.
1
The
Yes,
output
sir.
is again 0 here.
0.
If both are 1, the answer of this one will be NAND gate will become
0
0
0. Then this answer will become 1
One.
here.
1.
So by using this circuit, we got the output of AND gate here. No.
Yes, sir.
yes
So
sir.
by using the NAND gate as a universal, we got the AND gate output here now. So NAND gate use करके अभी NOT gate का output आ गए हमको, AND gate का आ गए. Yes.
Yes, sir.
और एक बेसिक गेट कौन सा है? और गेट है ना बेसिक. सो ये
Yes,
NAND
sir.
गेट यूज करके हमने OR गेट का भी आउटपुट निकल सकते हैं. We can get the OR gate output here now. OR gate using NAND gate. OR gate का आउटपुट हमको चाहिए यूजिंग NAND gate का यूज करके हमने. सो OR gate का आउटपुट क्या रहते हैं? 1 1 1
1 1 1 0
जीरो है
zero,
ना, 1110 है ना,
Yes.
1110 है क्या, 0001 है,
No, sir. 1110.
1110, ठीक है. So here the OR gate output is there. See here, this is the NOT gate is there here, one NOT gate here now.
0, 1, 1, 1, sir.
Suppose if it is 0 0 आंसर, इनपुट मैंने 0 0 दिया है, इधर आउटपुट क्या आ जाएगा?
Sir, OR gate 0, 1, 1, 1.
हाँ, that is the important thing. 0 plus 0 0 हो जाएगा, so 1 1 1 1. This is the OR gate symbol है. Yes, OR gate का
Yes, sir.
output है. This is the OR gate output here. So if the answer is 0 0, I will write the answer input also. Input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1.
1, 1.
Okay. If the input is 0 0, then the output of this NOT gate is, it act as NOT gate only, na? A dash will come the output,
One.
so it will become 1 1 here. 1 1. The NAND gate output is 0. NAND gate
Yes,
का
sir.
output 1 1. तुम लोग स्टडी किया बोल रहे हैं, बट कुछ भी मालूम नहीं तुम लोगों को. ए भी है 0 1 1 0 1 1. एंड गेट का सिम आउटपुट क्या है? इसको 0 0 0 1 है. नैंड गेट का आउटपुट क्या है?
1, 1, 1, 0.
1 1 1 0. इधर नैंड गेट है नहीं,
Yes, sir.
दिस इज
Yes,
नैंड
sir.
गेट. सिर्फ 1 1 को क्या है आउटपुट? 0 है ना,
0.
सो 0. इधर आर गेट का आउटपुट 0 है, पहला 0 0 को.
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes.
ये इनपुट देके हमने नैंड गेट यूज किया, इधर आर गेट का आउटपुट आ गया पहला वाला.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what I will do? This 0 I will keep as it is. So this B terminal, second one I will give as 1 here. So this 0 will become 1 and this 1 will become
0.
0 here,
0.
because these are the NOT gate here now. So 1 0 1 0 का NAND gate का आउटपुट क्या है?
1.
1 है, इधर 1 आया आउटपुट.
Yes,
0 1
sir.
का the output is 1 here.
One.
The output is 1 here. Next क्या करने का है? The output I will
1
change.
0.
Input 1 0 I will give here now. This 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1.
1.
So 0 1 output is 1 here
1.
now. So 1 it will come here now. Next 1 0 input क्या है?
1,
1
0.
0 1 0 का input क्या है? Output क्या है?
1.
1 है. Next last one that is here we have to use the 1 1 output here now. Input is 1 1, output is this one 0 0,
0,
and the
0.
NAND gate 0 0 is nothing but 1 is there. Here also 1 we got that one. Input 1 1 है, output 1 1 है. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So by using the NAND gates, we have calculated the output of NOT gate, AND gate, and
Or
OR gate here now. OR gate we have find the output here. So this NAND gate is used as a universal gate. We are going to call that one. NAND gate used as universal gate. We are going to call that one here. एक ही NAND gate यूज करके हमने 3 गेट का आउटपुट आ रहा है हमको.
yes, sir.
So for that reason, this NAND gate as a universal gate we are going to consider here. Similarly, we have to use NOR gate as a universal gate here. जैसा AND gate use NAND gate use किए, ऐसा NOR gate use करना है. NOR gate use करेंगे अभी. If the input is 0, then the output is 1.
1.
If the input is 1, output will become 0. This is the output. It will give the NOT gate answer. It is giving here. आंसर हो गए ना. 0 है तो 1, 1 है तो 0. कौन सा आंसर है ये? NOT
Yes,
gate
sir.
satisfy हो गए तो
Not. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
NOT gate is satisfied here now. Next, the NOR gate we are going to use. The NOR gate output we are going to use for the AND gate here now. AND gate बोल के आंसर इनपुट आना है हमको. AND gate का क्या है? 0 0 0 1 है ना. Input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 को 1 रहने का एंड गेट का आंसर ये आंसर हमको सेटिस्फाई करना है। यस, ये आंसर हमको सेटिस्फाई करना है। सो हमें पहला नॉर गेट का आउटपुट क्या है मालूम होना है ना हमको। यस सर, नो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1।
1 1
एंड गेट का आउटपुट क्या है, ये 0 है। पहला और गेट का
0
आउटपुट
0
देखेंगे हम। दिस इज और गेट हियर नाउ। यस,
yes sir
नॉर गेट का आउटपुट क्या है, 1
1 0 0
0
0
0
0 0।
0
ये नॉर गेट का है, ठीक है। सो सपोज पहला मैंने ये इनपुट देता हूं अभी 0 0, ए भी 0 है, ए भी 0 है। ये नॉट गेट है, ये भी नॉट गेट है ना
yes
ये।
sir
सो इसका आउटपुट क्या हो गया 1, इसका 1
1
हियर नो। सो व्हाट इज दिस वन हियर, नॉर गेट। सो दोनों आउटपुट इनपुट 1 1 है, तो नॉर गेट का आउटपुट क्या है
0
0 है। सो इधर 0 है पहला, दोनों इनपुट को
Yes, sir.
आउटपुट इज 0। नेक्स्ट वन, if it is 1, if the input is 0 1 here now, I will give this input now 0 1 मैंने दिया है। इसका आउटपुट क्या हो गया अभी 0 को 1
1
1 will
0
become 0।
0
so नॉर गेट को इनपुट क्या है 1 0 है। इधर किधर है 1 0, ये 1 0 है इनपुट। so आउटपुट should be
0
0। इधर 0 है। नेक्स्ट वन, yes,
yes sir
next one. So this it will become, I will change that one 1 0 now, 1 0 I will give here। so 1 will become
0
0 will become
1
0 1 का आउटपुट क्या रहते हैं नॉर गेट में
0
0
इनपुट क्या दिए इधर
1 0
1 0, इनपुट 1 0 है, आउटपुट क्या है इधर
0
0 आया है। नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन I will use as, that is called 1 1 here। now both the input मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, both the input I will give as 1 1 1 1 input दिया है इसका। इधर दोनों 1 1 है, अभी इनपुट 1 1 दिया, आउटपुट हमको क्या आना है 1 आना है। देखेंगे अभी 1 will become 0 0 will become 1। इधर 0 0 इनपुट को क्या आया नॉर गेट का आउटपुट 1 आ गया इधर। सो आउटपुट इज सेटिस्फाइड हियर नो। Okay,
yes sir
so the NOR gate used as AND gate now। NOR gate is used as AND gate का आउटपुट आ गए, NOT gate का है, AND gate का है। और कौन सा बचा है अभी, one more term, that is OR gate। NOR gate we are going to use as OR gate here now। OR, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, these are the three basic gates है ना, बेसिक गेट्स है। तीनों बेसिक गेट्स का हमको आउटपुट चाहिए, जैसा नैंड गेट का यूज करके जैसा है ना, ऐसा नॉर गेट यूज करके हमको आउटपुट आना है। सो आर गेट का आउटपुट इनपुट क्या है 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, these are the input है ना। यस सर, नो, आर गेट का इनपुट है। इसका आउटपुट क्या है
0 1 1 1
0 1 1 1, ये आउटपुट है हमको। okay, according to this you are going to give a input here now। इधर इनपुट दे रहे, बट ये क्या है और गेट है, नॉर गेट है ना ये, दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉर गेट। सो नॉर गेट का टेबल हमको मालूम होना है ना, 0 1 1 0 1 1। ओके, नॉर गेट का इधर ही लिखता हूं मैं, नॉर गेट का आउटपुट क्या है इधर है ना, जैसे भी और गेट का ही नॉर गेट हो जाएगा ना, 1
1 0 0 0
1
0
okay, we'll give the input now here now। first input क्या देंगे हम 0
0 0
0 0 इनपुट दिया मैंने, 0 0। ये कौन सा गेट है ये
नॉर
नॉर गेट का आउटपुट 0 0 को क्या होना है
1
1। इधर आउटपुट क्या गया, ये गेट का आउटपुट
1
1 आया इधर। ये कौन सा गेट है ये नॉट गेट है ना, नॉर गेट यूज एज नॉट गेट।
yes sir
दोनों शॉर्ट है ना, 1 को इधर आउटपुट क्या आ जाएगा इसका
0
0। सो आंसर 0 है और गेट का पहला.
Yes, sir.
Next, I will make this one as
0 1.
0 1 now. I'll make this one as 0 1 here now. 0 1 का आउटपुट क्या है? नॉर गेट का
0.
0 है. ये 0 is converting into, it will become
1.
1 आ गए. अगर 1 है आउटपुट.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, this one will become 1 and it will 0 here.
0.
1 0 का आउटपुट, नॉर गेट का आउटपुट क्या है?
0.
0
0 है. इसको 0 है. 0 will become
1.
1.
1 now. 1 है और गेट का. Next, last one, we are going to give the 1 1 output.
1.
We are going to give here now. So this one will become also 1 1. The NOR gate 1 1 is nothing but the output
0.
is 0 है. This 0 NOT gate को अप्लाई किया तो
1.
1 1 1 1 आंसर. So NOR gate, इधर NOR gate ही दिख रहे हैं ना, ये NOR gate है, NOR gate है ना. So for that reason only we are going to call that one. So NAND gate, by using a NAND gate and NOR gate, we can get the output of OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate का output आ जाएगा. उसके लिए we can use NAND gate as a universal gate and NOR gate as a universal gate. We are going to call that one. These are the universal gates. NAND gate and NOR gates are the universal gates.
Universal.
MCQ आ सकते हैं, याद रखो थोड़ा. NAND gate and NOR gate can be used as universal gate. And or NOT gate, these are the not universal. Only NAND and NOR gates are the universal gates. Is it clear? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubts? Doubt है क्या कुछ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what we will do? Only one topic is left, that is Boolean algebra. अभी Boolean laws बोल के सुना है ना नाम Boolean laws?
No, sir.
अभी gates का मालूम हो गया तुमको. Some Boolean laws are there. That one we are going to discuss. What I will do, I will end the meeting now here. Immediately rejoin that one. That is the last topic of your last unit as well as the subject. Last topic है. So half an hour or 10-15 minutes I will explain that one. Okay? Because already only 2 minutes left, na? Time is. So I will end the meeting, immediately rejoin the meeting. Immediately. Don't wait for the reply. Immediately join the meeting.